Farm Life, episode 1345. No, I'm pretty sure it's not that. Now here we got the old Hills hoist here that's rusted out, and we've drawn a bit of a crowd today. Farm Life has actually become a bit of a going concern. Now there was Star Pickets holding all this up as Coco's
rusted away.
He did. It was all on a lean. It was like this all for like years. 3 years, I'm pretty sure. Now Coco, it's your birthday. Now we got to take a look at this lip though, Coco. What happened, mate? What happened?
Fat lip. I was straightening out a hinge with the big sledgehammer, and I give it a whack, straight into the lip. Knocked me senseless.
Yeah.
Knocked a few tooth leads.
Looking super attractive for a birthday.
So happy birthday to the coconut with a fat lip and a sore mouth.
Anyway, what we've got here, we found in the shed a bit of 42mm stainless gal pipe, and we're just going to go ahead and stand this up now, guys. So we've got a couple of practicing social distancing. I'm getting way away from this action. You want to be socially distant in case this goes just really wrong.
Found the bit of pipe.
Yeah, there we go. So Lottie on the sleeving there. We'll go back to the tripod here. Hopefully it'll stand up. Look at that go, folks. There we go. So Hills hoist fixed, rusted out, tight base, all fixed up. Now, it's not perfect, but we might throw a couple of screws into it. But that's a Farm Life done for today. Hills hoist 0, Club Coco team 1. Yes.